Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 16AH removable battery is a game-changer for urban commuting and outdoor adventures. Right out of the box, the bike impresses with its sleek design and sturdy build. The 1000W motor delivers exceptional power, allowing riders to reach speeds exceeding 30 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest electric bikes in its category. One of the standout features is the large 48V 16AH lithium battery. The removable design offers convenience, allowing for easy charging at home or the office. A full charge typically takes around 4 to 6 hours, providing a range of approximately 40 to 60 miles, depending on riding conditions and the level of pedal assistance used. This extended range is perfect for longer commutes or leisurely rides without the anxiety of running out of power. The folding mechanism is efficient, making it easy to store or transport. It folds compactly, fitting into car trunks or under desks, which is ideal for those with limited storage space. Despite its portability, the bike doesn't compromise on comfort. The adjustable seat and suspension system effectively absorb bumps, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power, which is crucial when riding at higher speeds. The bright LED lights enhance visibility during night rides, adding an extra layer of safety. Moreover, the intuitive LCD display allows riders to monitor speed, battery life, and other essential metrics at a glance. In terms of build quality, the bike features a robust aluminum frame that supports a significant weight capacity, catering to different riders. However, it's worth noting that assembly requires some effort, but the included instructions are clear and helpful. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a reliable, fast, and versatile bike that excels in both city environments and outdoor excursions. Its powerful motor, impressive range, and thoughtful design elements make it a standout choice for electric bike enthusiasts.